Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful AMD motherboards, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. In this video, we will explore their key features, specifications, and what sets them apart in the competitive landscape of PC components. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking to build a high-performance machine, understanding these motherboards will help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The Asus Prime X670E-PRO is equipped with an AM5 socket and supports up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, with speeds of up to 6,400 MHz. It features PCIe 5.0 support across multiple slots, ensuring future-proofing for high-performance graphics cards and storage devices. In contrast, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX also supports AMD Ryzen processors with DDR5 memory, but at slightly lower speeds of up to 6,666 MHz. It offers a good balance of features with PCIe 5.0 support and a robust set of expansion slots, making it a solid choice for most users. When it comes to connectivity, the Asus Prime X670E-PRO shines with a comprehensive array of ports, including USB 3.2, Gen 2x2 Type-C, multiple USB 3.2 ports, and Wi-Fi 6E support. This makes it ideal for users who require high-speed data transfer and robust networking capabilities. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX also includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5, along with a similar selection of USB ports, providing ample options for connecting peripherals and ensuring a seamless user experience. The Asus Prime X670E-PRO comes with a premium price tag of $479, reflecting its high-end features and performance capabilities. This makes it a great choice for enthusiasts who demand the best. In contrast, the GIGABYTE 650 AORUS Elite AX is priced at $219, offering a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features. This price difference makes the B650 AORUS an attractive choice for users looking for value while still enjoying modern technology. In conclusion, both the Asus Prime X670E-PRO and the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The Asus board is perfect for those seeking high-end performance and features, while the GIGABYTE board provides excellent value for money. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision for your next build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.